Hello dear students, welcome back to your English class. Let us do today with the 5th chapter of your supplementary reader, Princess September. Okay, that's a very interesting chapter, a very beautiful chapter, a nice story about king, queen and the king's daughters. So let us start with the chapter now. The king and the queen of Siam had 9 daughters. Okay, for the queen it was confusing to remember so many names, so the king decided to call them by the names of the months. The youngest one was named September. Now the king had a peculiar habit, that is, instead of receiving gifts on his birthday, he gave gifts. One year he gifted, one year he gifted his daughter each with a green parrot in a golden cage. The princes were glad to receive such gift. They spent an hour every day with them. The parrots could say, "God save the king" and "Pretty Polly" in 7 languages. But Princess September found one morning her parrot dead. She wept and wept. She could not be comforted. The queen told the maid servants to put her to sleep without supper. The maids wanted to go to a party, so they put Princess September to bed as soon as possible. Thus, the princess was left alone, crying in her bed. The princess saw a little bird come into her room. It began to sing. It sang about king's garden, the goldfish, the willow tree, etc. The princess forgot about her supper. The little bird gave the princess a bow. The bird asked her if she would have it in place of her parrot. The bird agreed that it was not pretty. The princess clapped her hands with delight. The bird sang and the princess went to sleep. The next morning, the bird wished the princess good morning. The princess offered it food with her own hands. She bathed it in her saucer. The maids of honor were surprised. They had not heard earlier the sweet song of such a bird. The princess took the bird to her 8 sisters. The birds sang different songs to the princess. The king and the queen were surprised and delighted to see the bird. The king said that the birds sang much better than the parrots. He also said that he did not mind to hear the birds sing. He had got tired of parrots saying "Pretty Polly" again and again. The princess said that the parrots said in 7 different languages. The king said they reminded him of his counselors. The princes were vexed at this. The parrots also looked sad. But the bird flew round, it sang like a lark and a nightingale. The other princes got jealous of Princess September, so they went to September. They said that they were sorry for the death of her parrot. She must have a parrot. They had put their pocket money together to buy her the parrot. Hearing it, September thanked them. She said that she had a pet bird. It sang the most charming songs to her. She didn't know what she would do with the parrot. The princess said that she was wrong in calling the in calling the bird as hers. They remarked that the bird flew in and out just as it liked. They asked her where the bird was at that time. September told that the bird had gone to its father-in-law. The princess said that it was not likely to come back. If it came back, she should put it into the cage. But September replied that she liked to see it fly. They told her that safety first should be the objective, and they went away. Now, Princess September felt uneasy. All right. So, after this, what happened? We will see that in the next class, that is for this second part. So, we will end here today with the first part of this lesson. Read the text, read the story up till your first part. Try and understand. In case if you don't understand, you can ask me your query. Okay. The next part we will continue in the next class. Thank you.